This backyard was designed and installed in Syosset, New York. Patios is G43 marble pavers with G43 2-inch coping for the pool edges, and the pool is a vinyl lined pool. The whole backyard was completed with synthetic turf. We also installed shitty sand waterfall behind the pool. We also installed a brio fire pit, wood burning. The backyard consists of marble pavers and synthetic turf throughout, making this a maintenance-free backyard. With the exception of planting bed for flowers against the back fence. This is the latest Gappsi marble pavers and the synthetic turf for complete backyard installations.